Oh, you say happy birthday to mommy.
Happy
Birthday, mommy.
Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, mommy.
Oh, birthday
Hey,
ni mommy.
mommy, remove. Wait,
Bakit
just
wala
move
pangalan
it.
ko dyan? Dalawa lang kayo, kakaselos naman ay.
Daddy,
Oh.
just put it there.
Oh.
No,
Hindi mo man lang
mommy,
nilagay.
Mommy,
Hindi mo lang nilagay name ko.
Mommy, can you
Charot.
lift this cake up?
Okay, okay.
There's one more thing missing.
Ah, sige, sing. Dali, one more.
Just move it.
Why?
I-remove mo daw sa carton. Ayaw niya ng ganyan.
Not,
Okay.
no.
Ah, the candle.
Where's the candle go?
There's no candle here.
They just put it here. Ah, here. Happy birthday, mommy. There's the
Happy
you, Anna.
birthday, mommy.
candle.
Ah, happy birthday. At tinanggal ang anyang...
Wait lang.
Oh, wait.
The candle.
We have no ano.
Happy birthday.
Hmm. What did you say to mommy?
Happy birthday. See you.
Yan. Happy birthday kay Joy. Kay Joy. Happy birthday sa mami.
Later.
Ay nako, patay mo anak electric
Can
fan.
you turn off the fan, anak? Saan na yun? Wala na, isa na lang to.
Ha? Madaming posporo.
Nakakalo.
Kaloka naman yung posporo na yan. Yun, happy birthday, mommy. Oh, Diyos. Atara, come here. Happy birthday. Oh, sing again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Ayaw pakita ng muka eh.
Happy
Sila na lang.
birthday. Happy
Oh.
birthday.
Blow mommy's cake.
Oh, blow that cake.
Okay.
3.
Come on. Here, Amara. Go down.
Ikaw lumapit, Joy. Kaya ba malaglag siya.
1. Oh, wait. Sing again.
Happy birthday to you.
Can you move beside Amara because you can't be in the video? Come on, stand up.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Wow! Yay!
I was gonna blow that place.
Oo, yung napatay, nagselos. Ayan,